Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, senior mentor of 1 Billion Signals, sponsored by Merit Forex. We've got interesting quick last one, and we do expect this one as well, as it's full of economic events. Over the weekend, I've read a couple of articles where they mention another stimulus, just related to this. The COVID cases in United States are getting higher and higher and higher. So this could be a reason to see the Federal Reserve printing more money. So this is going to be very big stimulus of the American indices and, respectively speaking, of the major currency pairs. Until then, until we have some information, I'm talking about something planned, something announced, that Federal Reserve is going to print money, we definitely stay bearish on the major currency pairs. So let's take a look at the calendar, and we're gonna check what's going on the charts. Monday, today we have only one event. It's gonna be quiet Monday. ECB President Lagarde is gonna give a speech 1 p.m. So tomorrow we start with RBA meeting minutes in Australia, core retail sales 1:30 p.m. At the same time, retail sales in US, it's about US. Governor Bali is gonna give a speech 2 p.m. 30 minutes later, and another President Lagarde speech. This week we're gonna have every day President Lagarde is going to give a speech. So for Tuesday 4 p.m, for Wednesday 3 p.m, so approximately that time. Not necessary to mention which every day when is the meeting. Wednesday, we got CPI for UK 7 a.m, CPI for Eurozone 10 a.m, CPI Consumer Price Index, also known as inflation report, of course, very important for every country. Building permits 1:30 p.m. for US, core CPI for 1:30 for Canada, and crude oil inventories this week is going to be Wednesday 3:30 p.m. Thursday, employment change in Australia. Australian dollar is going to be volatile on Thursday. Initial jobless claims. Last report we saw green numbers. Honestly speaking, I'm a little bit surprised to see positive initial jobless claims for United States, but everything is possible there. 1:30 p.m. on Thursday, initial jobless claims, of course GMT time, and existing home sales 3 p.m. Friday, we have retail sales in Australia 12:30 after midnight, retail sales for UK 7 a.m, and core retails for Canada 1:30. So let's take a look what's going on the charts, because they're a little bit more interesting. Euro US dollar is trying to push up, US dollar is losing ground, and I think we can see again 1.1879, 1.19 around these levels, the price testing, and any moment we do expect a good sell-off. I expected to see last Friday, by the way, sell-off of the American indices, respectively speaking, drop of the major currency pairs. As you see here, we saw, I would say, modest good drop of the euro US dollar 160 pips, and right now it's recovering this loss, but as you can see, it's much more slowly. So that's why we keep remaining looking for bearish opportunities. GBP US, similar situation. I'm not getting bullish yet, because this could be definitely false indication of a bullish continuation, because we are still staying below the resistance 1.3265, 1.3181. This is crucial level for the GBP. If we see breakout, then definitely we can see further up to 1.3450. But until then, I'm going to remain bearish. Anyway, Monday is a new week. New York Stock Exchange is gonna open in about a couple of hours, so this is going to be crucial for the majors, as you know. Australian US 0.7285 currently. As you can see, it's trying to push lower. Super low volatility this morning, which is absolutely normal. Australian dollar tried to make this push as well, 100 pips from the top, and I think we can see 0.72 and 0.70 in the near future. New Zealand dollar, stays absolutely as before, stays the strongest currency currently. Anyway, New Zealand, the COVID cases are pretty few, very low percentage of infected people, and compared to the other, of course, countries. So this is one of the reasons why we do see the New Zealand dollar growing and growing up, staying above the resistance. If you're gonna take any New Zealand dollar trades, I highly recommend you, of course, to stay bullish. USD CAD, I'm going to the crude oil immediately. So as you can see, because of the American indices push to the upside, this is giving some hope to the people, but uh, nothing has ended yet. Absolutely, the COVID cases are going up. Only Federal Reserve stimulus could save future drop, could delay it. I would even say, as this we're talking about just printing money, nothing fundamental, nothing very solid to bring the economy up, simply because if you, as you know, if there is no consumption, there is no economy actually. And exactly because of this, I don't believe we're gonna see very big push to the upside, even for the crude oil, as the demand is very low. $40.67 per barrel right now. We can see another test of 42, but as you can see, the price is facing very strong resistance level, and 38.70. I'm gonna head to 36, 34.41, 61, and even $30 per barrel is not going to be impossible. Really depends how the upcoming weeks are going to what we're gonna see in the upcoming weeks from United States, of course, from American indices, from the world economy in general. USD Canadian, we have a drop of the US dollar, weakness of the US dollar because of the S&P 500 American indices, you know, the correlation we mentioned in previous videos a couple of times. So anyway, this is in a very strong downtrend, so it's absolutely logical to see USD CAD going down. USD Swiss, kind of similar, reached resistance. We talked about it when the price was 0.903650, around this level, that we definitely can expect correction to the upside. Test another test of 0.92, and right now we can see continuation to the downside, 0.9051, 0.9010. Anyway, US dollar is getting weak. USD Japan, similar. As you can see, the charts are very similar to each other, and USD Japan is making same price action movement. So we see drop, absolutely. We see bearish trend, downtrend, and right now the price is staying right between the support and the resistance. I'm gonna keep the same levels: 105.00 round number, very strong one; 104.70, which is very close to the round number 104. We can even put one more line, 104 here. For now, I'm not gonna do it anyway. It's pretty close to the current support level. But if you're gonna take any trades on the USD Japanese, just again be very careful, because when we are in middle of between resistance and support, you know, everything could happen. A logical movement to the downside, to the upside as well, slight recovery after the drop. It's pretty normal, so you can get caught. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Really hope you enjoyed these videos. Of course, as you know, thumbs up, share us, and like us on the social medias. If you have any questions, you're more than welcome to ask. Good luck, of course, and expect my new video on